If geographical information for your entries is present in your Binumerics database, this information can be plotted from within Binumerics on Google Maps. In this video, I will demonstrate how to do so using this example database. For all entries in the database, following geographical information is available: country name, city name, hospital name, date information, and latitude and longitude coordinates. Before I can plot my data, I will first need to change the field properties for some of my fields. My latitude and longitude fields contain numerical values, so I will change the content type for these fields to number. My date field contains date information, and to use this feature I will change the property of this field to date. I will now install the geographical plugin in this database to activate the plot functionality. I press this button in the toolbar. I select the geographical plugin from the list and press the Activate button. I confirm the installation of the plugin, and I will reopen my database to activate the features of the plugin. The geographical mapping icon is now added to the toolbar. Plotting is done based on a selection of entries in the database. I will include all entries in my plot analysis. To select all entries at once, I will use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+A. I click on the Geo icon to call the geographical wizard. The data can be plotted as pie charts, stacked bar graphs, or dots on the map. As a first example, I will plot the entries based on the latitude and longitude information stored in the corresponding information fields. I make sure genus is selected as my category field. Each different genus name will be assigned a different color and will be plotted in this color on the pies. Pressing Finish plots the entries on the map. All entries in this example are mapped based on their coordinates. Zooming in or out on the map can be done with the mouse or with the zoom buttons in the toolbar. Two pies appear in the city Valencia corresponding to two different hospital locations. Pressing this button will reset the zoom, making all graphs fit the map again. I will select a pie by simply clicking on it. The pie appears highlighted and detailed information is given in the panels on the right-hand side. This pie contains 7 entries divided over the 3 different categories. I will call the geographical wizard again and specify new settings. I change the graph type to bars, and I will plot the entries based on the location information stored in the city field. I will choose genus again as category field, and since I have specified bars as graph type, I can specify a binning in the next step. I select Date as binning field and choose Quarter as grouping. Optionally, a hint can be specified to narrow down the search on the GeoServer. I can, for instance, specify that all cities are located in Europe. Pressing Finish plots the entries on the map. The bars are colored based on the genus groups, and the height of the bars is proportional to the number of entries that have an identical location and bin. The binning is based on the date, which is in this example set to quarter. With this menu option, the map can be exported to the clipboard or stored directly in file formats such as PDF, TIFF or bitmap. This ends this video. Please tune in to our other videos on our website where more functionality is explained. Thank you for watching.